Nasdaq 100, as I shared and as I asked you to remain long, has achieved fresh highs close to 12,900 levels before looking forward to a sharp drop in the after hours from the disappointing tech earnings, which has taken it a good blow and has traded with a drop since then. Now again back to 12,600 levels. Likewise, US30 has got the support yesterday from 33,800 levels, and since then it is trying to recover a bit and now trading above 34,050 levels. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade per the levels. Now see, these are the hourly charts for US100. See, I told you yesterday, one can stay long till the time it trades about 12,450, and see it has achieved close to 12,900 levels. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, first you can see this 12,560, 12,540 levels giving it a very good support. And yes, if you see it trading below 12,550 levels, you can expect a little drop which might take it for 12,500 and below levels. That is the first part to it. Next, look at the hourly charts here. See, the resistance there at 12,600 is strong. It has multiple candles got the support there, and this time it has breached the support there. So only and only if you see it trading about 12,600, you can say. See, 12,620 is also a good level to buy, but yes, if you see it trading about 12,650 levels, that time I will consider this as little more bullish. So that is the first part to it. At the same time, see one more point, that it traded outside this near-term bullish channel. It has breached past the highs of this and achieved near-term highs. Now, see the levels here, 12,600, 620, 650 are going to provide a little more resistance. At the same time, on the downside, see higher lows are seen, and it may try to eliminate these rise, and possibly it may try to confine its movement within this zone. Now let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has come to oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish. We saw this yesterday. I told you it is trading at a highs, and see it has crossed over after achieving a further highs, and now trading with divergence, trading bearish. RSI was overbought and has seen a little drop now and come back to comfortable levels. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also so far, so probably it may try to limit its movement within this, but look at the last two candles. See, it has seen a good breach below 12,600 and traded bearish since then, but with a smaller body, and you can see there is a little pullback from the downside. And hence, if you see it trading below this zone at 12,550 levels, you can sell for 12,500, 450, which are definitely very good support. So sell at 12,550, that is clear here. At the same time, on the upside, you can buy if you see it trading about 12,620, but then expect 12,650 and 12,700 as the next resistance level. Directional movement is still bullish on the 2-hour charts, trying to convert. The stochastic has come to oversold zone. The MACD has taken a crossover. This is trading with divergence. This is trading a bit bearish, and see this crossover is happening at a high point at plus 150 levels, and hence it can stress the bearishness a little bit. But remember, this is the beauty of the candles, that with a little movement also it can take this complete MACD on the downside. So let's see how it manipulates the movement completely. RSI is definitely overbought and it has come out of the overbought zone. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, look at the previous two candles. See, the previous candle hardly had any body there. It means it is suggested that there is a strong downside support which it do not want to break. And now about 12,620 levels, yes, there could be a little rise for 12,650, and then it can resume the upward trend. The possibility exists as it is failing to breach this downward channel, and on the upside now 12,650, 12,700 levels are going to be a very good strong resistance. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought and has seen a good drop. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell. Remember, this is also trading at a high point here. Look at the rise there, phenomenal. So possibly it can converge, crossover and trade either sideways or with a slightly bearish bias. RSI was overbought and has seen a good drop. It has come out of the overbought zone now. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, now the support level here is at 12. 350 300 levels, definitely a very good support, but whether it can stretch the drop till there, that needs to be seen. Yes, once it drops below 12,450, it can stretch the bearishness, where you can see 12,400, 350, 300 levels. Now first thing is, it has given a breakout, so possibly we have to remain. Now see this, if you connect the dots here, you will find the downside is very far away. Yes, there was a breakout here. Now it is falling, trying to fall back within this zone. Possibly if it tries to drop from here, it can see a little drop in the coming few days, but we have to be watchful on the downside. I told you yesterday and I am telling you again, 12,000 and 12,100 levels till the time. See, we have seen a good rise in last 2 days and I have been telling this since long. Now 12,000, 12,100 levels is something which it may not try to break or breach in the month of February. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is seen converging and possibly it can converge crossover and may try to trade a slightly bearish here. RSI is near to overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, the previous candle had a sharp wick and a very small body, and in my observation, till the time the body size is half the complete candle, it can not be, or I will not consider this as a bullish, and there is all possibility for it to retrace again. Now on the upside, now look at yesterday's movement from almost 12,450 levels to 12,900, that counts to 450 points, and if you see the opening itself, 12,500 to 12,900. So now 12,700 levels is the pivot. Only and only if you see it trading about 12,700, there could be a little pullback on the downs, a pullback on the upside. Second part is, see, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely the width of the Bollinger Bands is extended now. However, it was trading outside Bollinger Band and has got a pullback here. Now remember one fact, once it trades below 12,450, it can drop a little for 12,400, 12,300 and 12,200 levels. So this is one part to it. See, the directional movement is extremely divergent and bullish. It can converge a bit. The stochastic is near to the highs. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is also trading overbought. So considering this for the day, yes, you can buy at 12,620 levels, but then expect 12,650 first resistance, 12,710 the next resistance, and then 12,750 levels. So these levels will come into picture, and only if you see it trading about 12,800, yes, little more bullishness is confirmed beyond 12,800, where you can see 12,900 and 13,000 levels also. If not today, possibly in next few days. And then on the downside, if you see it trading below 12,550, we have to sell there. We have to expect that 12,500, 450, 400. Very good support, and then below that, in fact, it can stretch its drop till towards 12,300 level. Now see, the trade today is on the backdrop of a dismal or disappointing tech earnings, and hence the confidence on Nasdaq100 may remain low, which might pull it a little down before it looks forward to a rise. Now this is for the tech 100. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch starts on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Enroll yourself now. Only couple of seats are left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. A flat top is seen here with a strong resistance from the upside. At the same time, this is also a phase of consolidation here. See, downside support 33,800. Previously it was at 33,700 and before that 33,600. So yes, higher lows are seen, and US30 is seen taking support on the downside. At the same time, on the upside, it is getting very good resistance here. In this zone, it has to break past by 34,200 levels in order to sustain the bullish momentum. Now look at the hourly charts. First thing is 33,970 levels, 950 levels, very good support. And on the upside, 34,050, 060 levels, and then 34,100 levels. Only if you see it trading above 34,100, you can confirm it for little more bullish. Considering this, you can buy at 34,100 and sell at 33,950 levels. For this 150 points, I will not recommend you to trade Dow Jones. Yes, it is a distant or far away or a wide zone, but that is what we can see here. We have to safeguard our capital, and US30 is something which can give you good swings. So we have to remain cautious within this zone. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a little rise. The MACD is again trying to trade with a little divergence and in green. RSI trading flat. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similarly, see the previous few candles, the body size is limited. It is trying to reverse, and hence probably once it trades below 33,950, yes, you can see little more bearishness which might take it till towards 33,800 and below levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising there. It has come to overbought levels. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for the bullish move. RSI is trading flat here. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, interestingly, on the 3-hour chart, this is a possible squeeze which is happening here, and hence it has to give a decisive breakout either which ways in order to sustain the momentum. Certainly 33,800 levels now you should watch out for, and then as I said, 3600, 500 levels are definitely a very good support zone. See, it was trading in this bullish zone. Yes, there is a flat top or ceiling or a strong resistance or a wall is seen there, and on the downside also there is a downside support available. So higher lows indicate certainly there is still support there on the downside. Directional movement moderately, you can say, not indicative of anything here. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD trying to converge, RSI trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, the previous candle lower highs are seen, and hence only and only if you see it trading above 34,100 levels, you can buy for 150, 200 and plus levels, where you can expect 400 also very soon. So 34,100 level is the level beyond which you can buy. At the same time, see this level probably at 34,020 you can sell, but then expect 33,980, 33,950 levels. So yes, you can sell at 34,020, expect 33,980, 33,950 levels as the next support level, and below that you can expect 33,900, 800 and 700 levels. Only below 33,800 you can expect little more bearishness. Here it is little more bullish, or not bullish, but yes, it is trying to trade with little convergence there. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to cross over, RSI is flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, flat top there and lower highs are done. Possibly once it trades below 33,980, yes, you can expect little more bearishness, and we can expect 33,800 and below levels this time. Possibility exists for this also. Directional movement moderately, you can say, bearish here, but the stochastic is seen trading at highs. The MACD is trading with little divergence and it's in green. RSI is trading at highs. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 34,020 and a buy at 34,100. Chances for it to retrace a little on the downside till towards 33,900, 800 levels also exist throughout this day. So hence take a sell entry for 34,020 with the stop loss at 34,060 and stay short for 33,900 levels. And if you are taking a buy entry above 34,100, you should expect 34,150, 200 and beyond 200 we can expect a very good rise which might take it for 34,400 levels also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.